Welcome. If you've noticed your Facebook videos using too much data or loading slowly, there's a simple way to fix that. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set your video quality to SD only on Facebook using your PC. This is especially useful if you want smoother playback or you're trying to save bandwidth. First, open Facebook on your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From that menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A smaller menu will expand, giving you more options to choose from. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to your main account settings page. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Scroll down until you find Media and click on it. This section controls how videos and other media behave on your account. Once you're in the media settings, look for the option labeled Video Default Quality. Right next to it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on that menu and you'll be able to choose your preferred video quality. Select SD only. This setting ensures that videos play in standard definition by default, helping reduce buffering and saving your internet data. And that's it. Your changes are saved automatically, so you don't need to click any extra buttons. From now on, your Facebook videos will load faster and use less data, making your browsing experience smoother and more efficient.